So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you know, my channel is all about to improve your English communication. So if you are a newbie, what to do for that, today I'm going to discuss a little bit. So if you are a newbie, definitely you watch that video, but if you are an advanced learner, then you don't have to, or intermediate, don't have to watch that video, you can skip the video. But if you are a newbie, what to do on that condition, what you can do, so please watch this video, then definitely you would be able to know that what you have to do if you are a newbie. So see my friend, if you're a newbie, that obviously I would say please inculcate that habit of reading. You have to read a lot. If you can read a lot, then definitely you would see that gradually you would understanding vocabulary also, because if you read enough books, automatically vocabulary stored gonna gonna stored in your subconscious brain. So please read a lot. Don't worry about the tough vocab if you don't understand, no matter, but keep on reading that. If you keep on reading that, definitely it's gonna store in your mind. It's as simple as that. Just read a lot of books, and please write a lot. Yeah, if you cannot write, big notes, you can write journaling. You can start, which is very effective. I do that. I know that how it affects. So please, in the morning or at night after work, you can start journaling for 10 minutes, for 20 minutes. Do journaling, okay? And listening, obviously listening, you have to listen something. You have to build that habit of listening some podcast, or you can go to Spotify. There are numerous English content are there. Whatever you like, like sports, or you like reading about anything, comedy, comic, mostly comic. And if you listen to that, definitely you can improve, you know and reading, if you cannot read big books, novels, you can start reading comic, Spider-Man, or this kind of stuff, which I really love that. Okay, so I when I started, I used to do that. So please read those books, which you think, that comic books, which is very much easier to read. Just go and read that, and it is very much fun as well. There is fun, okay? So along with fun, you can improve your English. So do that, okay, my friend. And watching videos, yes, you just keep watching my videos, and Etrainingpoint, just keep on watching my videos. If you keep on watching, definitely you would see that gradually you are understanding the language you are going. It's gonna be in your subconscious brain. It is gonna store. So keep on watching all of my videos. If you watch all of my videos, then definitely I would say that you would get something which you probably you haven't explored that earlier. So to especially to improve your English. So please watch all my videos. I've told everything what you have to do. So please watch my videos, and many other YouTubers also, they also make some English content related. Just go there and watch their videos as well. So I think you get an insight. So slowly and steady, you just slow and steady, you will you will win the race, like that story of rabbit and the tortoise, right? So if you go like a tortoise, definitely you can improve your English. So my friend, that's all what I would say. If you're a newbie, just do these things a little bit. Definitely you will see a lot of changes in yourself. You will see that your English level has improved, friend.